Welcome to today's session. In this session, we are going to look at the World Happiness Report of 2019, which was recently released. So let's get started. Now let's quickly understand certain points about the report. The World Happiness Report is given out by the Sustainable Development Solutions Network for the United Nations. It is a landmark survey and it ranks 156 countries. Alright, and it ranks the countries on the basis of the Gallup World Poll. So the questions are primarily from the Gallup World Poll. So the report ranks countries based on the 6 key variables, which are income, freedom to make life choices, trust, healthy life expectancy, social support and generosity. So these are the basis for the ranking which the report gives to different countries. Now let's look at some of the key findings of the report, and like last year, this year also Finland has topped the list. This is the second straight year that Finland has topped the list, and Finland is followed by Denmark, Norway, Iceland and Netherlands, and US ranks at the 19th place despite being one of the richest countries in the world. See, experiences from several countries confirm that countries with higher GDP and higher per capita incomes are not always the happiest countries. See, this is the example, US is the example that it is not the happiest country in spite of being a very rich one. Now coming to Europe, the UK has improved its ranking. Last year it was 18th and this year it is at 15, whereas Germany went down. Earlier it was 15 and now it has come down to 17th. Now coming to the East, Japan, Russia and China, all the three have not performed well this year. See, Japan was at 54th last year and now it has come down to 58. Russia was at 59th, now it is 68. China was at 86th and now it has gone down to 93rd. So none of the three countries have performed well. And when you come to war-torn areas like South Sudan, people are the most unhappy with their lives. Naturally, it is going to be very difficult in war-torn areas. So people in South Sudan are the most unhappiest. Let us look at some India-specific findings of the report. India's position, we have fallen down 7 places. Last year we were at 133rd position and this year we are at the 140th place. When you look at the world, the overall world happiness has also fallen over the past few years, and there has been an increase in negative emotions including worry, sadness and anger. And when we look at India's neighbors, Pakistan is doing well at 67th, Bangladesh at 125th, Bhutan at 95, Sri Lanka at 130 and China is at 93. The saddest part is India is among the 5 countries that had the largest drop since 2008 in their ranks, and the other 4 countries are Yemen, Syria, Botswana and Venezuela. With this, we have come to the end of today's session. Here we have mentioned a few model questions. Please answer them. Hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.